the facilitators keep us really engaged, and the topics they talk about are extremely relevant as well. So it's not only fun, but I think I'm taking away a lot of things that I can actually use in my real life situations at work, and not only at work but also at home and in the community I serve, right? So these are extremely doable things. It's not knowledge for knowledge's sake. It's about how I can take away these things, go back home and make myself a better person. So one of the points that Dr. Madana spoke about, right, which resonated with me the most was about how the leader is propelling his team to become better than him, right? An organization can only grow if this type of attitude exists in the organization, and if it is actually encouraged, right? And UST being the fast-paced organization that it is, and our core value is to be for humanity, humility and integrity to work. Servant leadership forms a very, very strong foundation. So I'm extremely pleased with the kind of content we are going through, and it just re-emphasizes how servant leadership and our values are so ingrained in our organization and how it's getting propagated to all its employees. I think this is a concept that should go far and wide, not just be limited to UST, because everyone stands to gain from it. Be it a student, be it someone who's at home, be it someone who's working in a professional workspace, everyone in different spheres of their life can really benefit from this concept. And congratulations once again on doing this workshop, and it has a big impact on all of us, and thank you so much once again.